Hello everybody and good morning all my friends in the world. So welcome back again to my channel, and today video I will show you how to install YouTube Studio into your phone, and you can use it instead of using in the computer. So it's very easy, and you can view the report and analytic from your Android smartphone. Alright, so I will show you step by step. Alright, so first, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Alright, so first we need to go to and install the app to Play Store. We use Android, so you type YT Studio. It's from the Google, so you can view your YouTube's earning, you can view analytic, you can see your video, everything, right? So just install it, just step by step. Okay, wait, it's installing. So just wait until it finish. The internet here is very slow. Okay, so wait for installing. Alright. Okay, so after install it, you need to click open. And make sure you have to have a Gmail already. So I just select my Gmail account. Alright, I have a mini channel, so I'm gonna choose like this one. Right, you have to sign in, and here you can see your content. All the video post in here, so I don't have it, I just have only short video, right? You see, and right here you can click on analytic. You can view your report, you can track your reports, right? You can see the video and the real times. Yes. Okay, so back and see your content, so you can see your video, which video that is grow faster, right? And click on an audience, see where your people coming from, and your times, which time it's your channel grow faster. And here you can see the gender, male or female, and which country they from, right? So my channel is my audience mostly from India, Indonesia, United States, Russia, Japan, and yeah, it's very easy. You can choose on your phone, right? And here you can see your subscriber in the previous 28 day, right? You can view, click here, 7 day, how fast it grow, and 90 days, so mostly only 28 days, 4 weeks, right? And here you comment, so you can view who's comment on your video, who like your video, right? And the playlist, if you have it, you can view here playlist video I have, right? So it's very simple and easy, and it's very useful to, you don't have to use your computer all the time, just have the smartphone. I can shoot anywhere, anytime. Alright, so hope you guys love this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time for a video update. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.